This is a limited edition run of only 25. These are in a beautiful hardwood white oak that I found, and I use really high quality rare earth magnets. I designed this for my company, SCF Design. These are going to be released at a great everyday carry website called Urban EDC. Like I said, only 25 of these right now, individually numbered, all of them available very, very soon. One of the best parts of this design, this is a 2-in-1. It operates both with this really satisfying infinite clicky pin, but also as a push and slide fidget with a really satisfying feedback. I hope you can get your hands on them. I wish you could. Holding this, using it, feeling it is a very different experience. I wish everybody could have it. I love having a fidget. It has greatly made my day-to-day much, much better. Odds are it could probably help your day too. So if you like these, please subscribe, watch my videos, follow along. If I ever make something you really like, message me, buy it. Like I said, these are on a website called Urban EDC very soon. So thank you so much for following along. Enjoy the fidgety goodness on these things. I absolutely love them. I think they are gorgeous. And like I said, handmade, actually handmade. The laser engraving is the closest I come to a robot. Everything else in here, actually handmade by me in my shop in Los Angeles.